Cruises are an amazing way to visit different countries and explore new cultures. But what happens on your cruise when a port of call is canceled and your itinerary changes? Fortunately, losing a port of call does not mean losing all the fun and opportunities of your cruise. Keep watching to learn why. Cancellation reasons. There are many different reasons why a cruise ship's itinerary may be altered and a port of call could be canceled. Poor weather or natural disaster at the port could prevent the ship from docking safely. Bad weather along the ship's route could also slow the ship sufficiently so it can't arrive at the port on time. In addition to weather, construction accidents, fires, or other incidents at the pier could damage equipment so the ship can't approach or dock safely. Illness outbreaks on board could also cause a port of call to be canceled if a quarantine is needed. Making the decision. Regardless of the underlying reasons, it's always a difficult decision to cancel a port of call. Cruise lines and ships try not to change itineraries and do not want to disappoint or inconvenience passengers. If a port of call cancellation is necessary, the itinerary change will be made as soon as possible so passengers can be notified and may have the option to change their plans if needed. Many times, however, a port of call will not be canceled until the ship is en route to its destination, and passengers may not know about the change until just a few hours before they had expected to arrive. What to do? If the cancellation occurs long before embarkation, passengers may have the opportunity to rebook their cruise or change their entire vacation. If a port of call is canceled once a cruise is underway, passengers will be notified with letters delivered to their cabins and announcements made over the ship's loudspeakers. All port fees associated with that particular port of call will be refunded. Any shore tours booked through the cruise line for that port will also be automatically refunded. Additional compensation such as onboard credit, drink coupons, partial cruise fare refunds, or other discounts are not guaranteed and should not be expected. Now what? Once passengers know they'll be staying aboard their ship, what will be available to do since there are no shore tours to take advantage of? Fortunately, the cruise ship will offer a wide range of fun options for passengers to enjoy. If possible, the next port of call may be extended, and the ship may work to arrive at the next destination earlier to allow passengers more time to experience the location. In some cases, an alternative port of call may be added to the itinerary. Activities on board. Dance classes, trivia contests, craft projects, deck games, and other activities will quickly be added to the daily schedule, and updated schedules will be posted throughout the ship and updated on shipboard apps. Even without extra activities on the schedule, guests can still take advantage of all their ship has to offer, even if they aren't in port. The ship's pools, casino, water slides, miniature golf course, rock wall, and other features should be open. Plus, there may be additional spa specials or shopping opportunities offered. Even though passengers may lose a port of call during their cruise because of an unexpected cancellation, they will not lose the fun and relaxation of their cruise thanks to the dedication of the crew and all of the options that are available on board. What else should you know about cruises if it's your first time? Want to get the inside scoop to have an amazing trip even if you're a cruise veteran? Visit our site. We've got tons of great cruise guides, tips, and news. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.